Hello students, today I'll be discussing the solutions of NTSC 2019 Stage 1 paper of Biology. So let's begin with the first question, that is the habitat related with the presence of sunken stomata in leaves is option A hydrophytic, option B mesophytic, option C xerophytic and option D cryophytic. So what are sunken stomata? Sunken stomata are the hidden stomata. Hidden stomata are present in xerophytic plants. So its answer will be option 3. Why they are present in xerophytic plant? Because xerophytic plants are the desert plants, and desert plants need to store water because they get less amount of water in desert. So their stomatas are hidden so that less amount of water is lost through transpiration. While hydrophytic plants are the plants which are present in water, mesophytic plants are the terrestrial plants, and cryophytic plants are the plants which grow in snow or ice. Next question is, micronutrient element is option 1 nitrogen, option 2 zinc, option 3 magnesium and option 4 potassium. Its answer is zinc. Micronutrients are the nutrients which are required in less amount, less quantity. It is also given in the NCERT of class 9th in the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So they are required in less quantity. It includes chlorine, molybdenum, iron as well as zinc. Next question, coralloid root is found in option 1 Cycas, option 2 Pinus, option 3 Marsillia and option 4 Azolla. Its answer is option 1 Cycas. Coralloid roots are the roots which grows from the main root and they grow laterally on the surface of the soil. ये जो रूट्स होती हैं ये सॉइल से थोड़ा ऊपर लेटरली ग्रो करना शुरू करती हैं और इनके अंदर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द रूट ऑफ विच प्लांट इज यूज्ड एज मेडिसिन? ऑप्शन 1 कुरकुमा लॉन्गा, option 2 aloe vera, option 3 Rauwolfia serpentina and option 4 Papaver somniferum. Its answer is option 3 Rauwolfia serpentina. It is powdered and its root is powdered and is used to control high blood pressure. While curcuma longa is turmeric in which stem is used, in aloe vera it's cell sap is used. Papaver somniferum, in this the fruit part is used. Next is phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in dihybrid cross. Option 1 is 3:1, option 2 is 9:3:3:1, option 3rd is 1:2:1, while option 4th is 2:1. Its answer is 9:3:3:1. In dihybrid cross, we take two characters. For example, we have taken round yellow. We have taken round and yellow plant and we have crossed it with wrinkled and green plant. In F1 generation, we will obtain round and yellow plant. But for F2 generation, we will have to cross this plant with this. Means we will have to do self-pollination. Then we will be getting F2 generation, and in F2 generation, we will be getting 4 types of combination. 9 will be round and yellow, 3 will be round and green, 3 will be wrinkled and yellow, and 1 will be wrinkled and green. So its ratio becomes 9:3:3:1. Next question is, how many biodiversity hotspots are there in the world? Option 1, 25, option 2, 33, option 3, 20, and option 4, 34. Its answer is 34. Option 4. Biodiversity hotspots are the places where various plants, various forms of plants and animals are present. Question number 7. From which district of Rajasthan did Chipko movement begin? Option 1, Jodhpur, option 2, Jaipur, option 3, Ajmer, and option 4, Jaisalmer. So its answer is, of course, Jodhpur. Chipko movement was a movement which was started by Amrita Devi Bishnoi. Amrita Devi Bishnoi with few people hugged the trees khejdi trees when they were being cut. So it was for the conservation of plants. Next question is, the part of human brain which controls involuntary action. Option 1, cerebrum, option 2, cerebellum, option 3, medulla oblongata, option 4, optic lobe. So its answer is third, medulla oblongata. Involuntary actions are the actions which are not in our control, which are not in our will. जैसे breathing, respiration, वो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. Movement of hand, movement of legs is in our control. वो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. They are voluntary actions. So involuntary actions are controlled by medulla oblongata part of human brain. Question number 9 is, the disease caused by protein deficiency in food is option 1, kwashiorkor, option 2, scurvy, option 3, pellagra, and option 4, rickets. So its answer is option 1, kwashiorkor. It mainly occurs in children. The children becomes pale, yellow colored, and they are very weak. While scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C, pellagra is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B3 niacin, and rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. The parts of large intestine are option 1, duodenum, ileum, colon, option 2, cecum, colon, rectum, option 3, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and option 4, jejunum, ileum, cecum. So its answer is cecum, colon, rectum, option 2. Duodenum, jejunum, and ileum are the parts of small intestine. Basically, the main function of large intestine is to absorb water and minerals. The hormone not secreted by ovary is option 1, testosterone, option 2, estrogen, option 3, progesterone, and option 4, relaxin. Its answer is option 1, testosterone, because testosterone is a male hormone which is secreted by testes in males, and it is responsible for the secondary sexual characters of a male. Next question is, pseudocoelomate animal are Aschelhelminthes, annelids, arthropods, mollusks. Its answer is Aschelhelminthes. Coelom is the body cavity. Pseudo means false and coelom means cavity. So in pseudocoelomates, there is no cavity present between ectoderm and endoderm, because few pouches of mesoderms are present in it. So there is no cavity. That's why there is no cavity, but it seems that there might be a cavity, because patches of mesoderms are present, not the complete mesoderm. So it is known as pseudocoelomate animal. Protozoan disease is AIDS, leprosy, jaundice, malaria. Its answer is fourth, malaria. AIDS is a viral disease caused by HIV virus. Leprosy is a bacterial disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Jaundice is again a viral disease, while malaria is caused by a protozoa, Plasmodium, which is spread through a vector, female Anopheles. Next is the disease caused by deficiency of vitamin K is option 1 hemorrhage, option 2 sterility, option 3 rickets, option 4 scurvy. So its answer is hemorrhage, option 1. Hemorrhage means the continuous bleeding of the blood. ब्लड जो है वो कंटिन्यू इंटरनली और एक्सटर्नली फ्लो करता रहता है. विटामिन के जो है उसका मेन फंक्शन होता है क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. तो अगर विटामिन के की कमी होगी तो ब्लड जो है वो क्लॉट नहीं होगा, रुकेगा नहीं, तो वो कंटिन्यूसली फ्लो करता रहेगा. सो इट्स आंसर विल बी हेमोरेज. As sterility is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin E, rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D, and scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C.